Is your Facebook feed your next news source? Facebook says it has indexed more than 2 trillion posts from the social network, touting it as a way for users to track discussion of news events in real time. By positioning itself as a source for news, Facebook is pitting itself against messaging service Twitter, which recently added a curated news service called Moments. Facebook is also ratcheting up its rivalry with search giant Google by creating a search engine that falls outside Google's scope. More than 1.5 billion search requests are made every day on Facebook. Google last updated its search figures in 2012 when it was averaging about 3.3 billion searches a day. Facebook users will be able to search through posts from friends as well as any post marked public, which could raise concerns about privacy. Facebook's previous attempt at search, the Graph search feature launched in 2013, disappointed in part because of technical complexity. A well-honed search function would keep users on Facebook longer, allowing the social network to collect more data about its users, analysts say. Many Facebook users already use posts on the social network for help choosing a restaurant or a babysitter. But for billions of people, Google is still synonymous with search. That's a mentality Facebook will have to change if it hopes to take some of that activity away from Google.